To me, to you, just move it. It's fine. There we go. No more scratchy feet. Alright, to me, to me. She's getting fed up now, but you got the idea. Happy feet, not scratchy feet. Hello, welcome to today's video. I've got a small sofa that I want to put in my dining room where I've just put some nice new shiny tiles down. And I wanted to put some pads underneath the legs so that we can move the furniture around easily and it won't scratch the floor. I know you can buy pads and all the rest of it, but I wasn't going to spend the money, to be honest, so I thought I could sort something out myself. So what I've come up with is this. What I'm going to do is glue them to the feet, and then we're going to have nice little happy feet, so if we're moving the furniture about, it's not going to scratch the floor. To make happy feet, you will need some scissors. I use these triage scissors, which will pretty much cut most things material wise, and I find them really useful. You'll also need some kind of pen, felt tip, I've got a Sharpie, anything will do. Some old carpets, and also some glue. This is all-purpose contact adhesive. I picked this up for about £1.50, and this should do the job really well. As you can see from this, I've already marked out where I want to cut in order to get a nice round disc. So all you need to do then is cut your material, your carpet. I know you can buy things to go underneath, but what's the point in buying anything if you can kind of make your own and make something that's just as good, or if not better. I did actually have one of the feet missing on my sofa anyway, so I had to buy 4 new ones. And the reason for buying 4 is that the old ones were slightly deeper underneath, and if I only bought one, I'll probably end up with a bit of a wobble on my sofa. So there we are. I think I'm happy with that. Beautiful job. It's a great fit. What I've decided to do now I've made them is trim back quite a lot to give them a nice haircut. As you can see there, I've tried to make him take a little dome shape, so when he goes on the floor the carpet won't splay out too much and look all horrible sticking out. So I've made all 4. All we need to do now is stick them on. I've got some 60 grit sandpaper, and under each of these feet I'm going to scratch them up because they're quite shiny, and what I want to do is get that glue to really sink in so I get a really good contact. I'm hoping you can see that. If we compare the two, we got lots of mini scratches there rather than it just being flat and shiny. We're good to go. Just put a good old bit on each one. The reason I'm using carpet is because I know that it's hard wearing and it shouldn't be a problem. To spread it around, I've just got a bit of old stick which I'm going to use as a spreader. There's no point in going out and buying anything for all this. And we just spread it over to make sure every little bit has been covered. There we go. Just spread it over, make sure we cover everything. We'll leave that now for 3 or 4 minutes just to let it go tacky before we stick it together. It's been about 5 minutes now, and the glue on there is tacky, it's not completely dry, and on here it feels almost dry, but that's absolutely fine. All we need to do then is push the two together in position and give them a good press. And just leave them, that's it. You can buy commercial things which will stick on, but I don't think they'll be as hard wearing as what we've made. that's all there is to it. We give it a little time for the glue to go off, and then I'll reassemble the sofa. All we do now is rip off the old ones. They don't come off. Get a screwdriver or anything underneath and give them a whack. And now we just replace it with one of our Happy Feet. Like I said, give it a whack. Job done. Move it a bit.
What, move it back? Or move it up?
To me, to you, just move it. It's fine. There we go. No more scratchy feet. Alright, to me, to me. Oh my god. To you, to you. To me. This way. This way, that way, that way. She's getting fed up now, but you got the idea. Happy feet, not scratchy feet.